Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok couldn't play video. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok couldn't play video, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this window of storage, you will enter. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will find here in this blue sign update. If you'll find it, then you can click to update your app of TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.